welcome to our new show.
I'm Tim. You gonna say anything?
Oh, okay, yeah, I'm sorry. I got caught up in the moment. Okay. So, what were we at again?
I said my name. You didn't say yours.
Oh, yeah, my name's Steve. We are Virtual Records. We produce. Okay, I think they know who we are.
Okay, calm down.
Wait, why would you say calm down when I'm the one that just said it? What? Whatever. So, yeah. And, yeah, so it's Virtual Records, and, this is Virtual Records, just so you didn't know. I'm joking, you do know. Alright. I want to say one thing.
What is that?
Okay.
What's that?
Okay, do you see this right here?
What?
I am this close to stabbing this kid. That's how I shank him, like right up his gut. Like, see how cut off his boob? Look, right there. It's going down right there.
No.
Oh, so I'm not gonna cut you, I'm joking. Okay, so yeah, this is us. We're Virtual. Did I say Virtual Records?
It's said it about 3 million times.
Well, I'm sorry! Holy crap, man! It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
You think?
Sorry, guys, but he's got me to the point where I'm gonna have to beat the crap out of him. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. I wanna shout out to my friend that pretty good friends. I'm joking, we're not friends. Well, we're friends. We chose him. X. The people that know me personally will know who X is. X. I don't want to say his name.
What? No. Never mind.
What?
Keep going. Never mind.
Shut up! Okay, I want to shout out to one of my friends, X. This guy here thinks me and him like doing this for fun because we have no life. I want to tell you something, X. I don't like doing this for fun. Actually, no, I like it. I enjoy it, but I'm not freaking dedicated. I get paid for this. YouTube, Google, they share their revenue with me. Well, not YouTube quite yet. I need to become a member. But Google, they share their revenue with me. They give me the revenue of their ads or whatever, right? So I'm getting paid to do this. So don't think I'm dedicated into this stuff, okay? I have a life, alright? I play sports, okay? So next time you see me, so yeah, let's get back to our show. Quit the blabber. Okay, so yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what to say. Okay, what do I want for Christmas? I want an Xbox 360 with a wireless adapter, a wireless router, whatever, a golden membership card, 1 year, whatever.
Okay, so
Okay, I'm gonna let you guys and me wait for him. Alright, so.
I'll shut up.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Are you really? Oh, really? You really
You tell me when to speak, okay?
Alright. So yeah, that's it, you know.
Okay, what I want for Christmas.
What? What are you doing? I'm not done yet. I want a 360.
Quiet.
I want a 360, the wireless adapter. I want a MacBook.
Just told them what you wanted. Now switch it.
Oh no. My Dickies jacket has just broke because of this guy. I'm gonna give this guy 10 seconds to get out of my face. He's gone. As you can see, he's not here anymore. Oh, yo! Yo, see this pin? No, this one too. Alright, dropped.
Ow. I'm okay. Ow.
So yeah, guys. Shout out Virtual Records. I'm Stevie's Gym. I'm joking. And we're gonna go get some drinks, alright? See ya. Take care, guys. Hey guys, and oh, here's our audience. Sorry, one sec. Come on, guys, give it up. Thank you. So yeah, okay. Come on, just subscribe right there. Nope, right there. Right in that corner, right there. See that corner? Subscribe. Hit that button, please. Come on, YouTube. Subscribe.